So guys, I'm gonna tell you this creepy man in this Roblox. Let's watch it, how he come in my home to follow me. And he tries to burn my house para makalabas ako. So guys, time check 5:09 na, tas nung 2:40 na pakasang silan. Kaya grabe na yung heartbeat ko, tugod-tugod. As in, ganun na guys. Kaya ito na, mag-doorbell na siya that time. Kaya let's see. So guys, sa mga part na to, he's trying to bell na. So ito na rin tips ko sa inyo. Kapag someone following you, gumawa kayo ng bahay nyo, pumasok agad kayo at ilock nyo. 1. Make your own house. Kailangan ikaw unang makapasok sa bahay nyo. And step 2, ilock nyo agad. Step 3, yung CCTV nyo, tingnan nyo kung andyan pa. And step 4, aalis na yun for sure. Bye.